Hi, today we are going to learn about short multiplication. Short multiplication is a method of multiplying numbers by one-digit number. Let us learn to times a two-digit number by a one-digit number. Here, if we need to multiply 46 times 3, step 1 is times 6 ones by 3 ones. 6 times 3 is 18. So we'll write 8 in the ones column and exchange 1 tens, just like this. Step 2. Times 4 tens by 3 ones, which is equal to 120. Now 120 added 10 which we exchanged earlier will give you 130. So we'll write 3 in the tens column, 1 in the hundreds column. So the answer that we'll get is 138. Let's solve a worded problem. Jay bought 6 packets of sweets. Each packet contains 25 sweets. How many sweets has he got in total? Step 1. Times 5 ones by 6 ones. Step 2. Times 2 tens by 6 ones. So we can say that Jay bought 150 sweets altogether.